Sup guys, welcome back to another video. You know who this be, your boy Minty. Guys, I know it's been a long time and I keep saying this all the time, but work with us, man. All this pandemic virus is going around and there's nothing really much happening around here, you know, like meats, anything, they're all called out because of viruses and all that bullcrap. But we're doing what we can, you know. It's a good time just to be in your garage and just be putting in work. By the way, you guys reading the title, damn right. We got some powder coating up in the house. You know what I'm saying? Some little goodies. I'm about to take the engine in this weekend so it could actually get done and hopefully have it running by the summertime. Before I start this video, you already know that I want to tell you guys to always keep pushing your dreams, your dream goals, your car goals. Keep pushing, man. Don't quit, don't give up. Like I said, I've learned a lot in this car. From painting, bodywork, wiring, wire tucking, and now some powder coating, you know what I'm saying? Big shout out to all the subscribers who keep coming back. You know what I'm saying? We're almost hitting that 900 subscriber mark and I'm super excited to just hit to 1,000. It's been a long road and I know with your guys' help, we're gonna get there, man. And who knows, man, it's gonna be a new open door for us. More content, more bangers, more car videos, more car mods, you know what I'm saying? So yeah guys, keep it going. You guys are awesome. Keep it clutch. Let's go guys. If you guys didn't know, I own a 2005 SRT4 with a shaved engine bay. If you guys want to check out the process that I've done in this car, make sure to hit the link up here. It will take you to the playlist of everything I put into this car. I've been doing some work. I did some more wiring, trying to finish the much as I can. This is just a fuse box wiring. If you guys know that I relocated my fuse box under my dash. If you guys want to check that video out, click the link up here. Also, did some powder coating in my garage. This is not a how-to powder coat video since I'm a beginner too. I don't want to teach you the wrong ways. I'm still learning. So I'll keep doing it. So if you guys request the video, I'll do something with that and teach you how to do it. But meanwhile, I want to show you guys what I done to some part that's gonna go into my engine before I take it to get rebuilt. And you guys see, I already sleeved up some wires up in here. I'm gonna end up cleaning that area before I install my engine. Got all my wires sleeved up. This is all my headlights, fog lights, the radiator, the fan. So yeah guys, this is what's looking right now. This is gonna be mounted up in here like this. I also did this yesterday. This is my vacuum solenoids right here. It's gonna go on the, what's called the wiper hole, whatever you call it. This actually takes me a long time, man. This right here, just doing this by itself, trying to get it good, almost takes me an hour just to do all that, because it's cut, splice, sleeve, solder it, and then shrink tube the sleeve on there. So it's a process, guys. My powder coating, it's gonna look so sick. It's my first time doing this, guys, so don't judge me. Just let me know what you guys think about the color and everything. You know, I was gonna keep it a secret, but I can't wait no longer. You know, you guys deserve some video, some footage, some vlogs, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it, guys.
La ciencia.
I bought the Eastwood Dual Voltage powder coating system here, which is this bad boy. It works pretty awesome, but it turns out to do multiple coats, you need to do some good grounding on this stuff, and that's what I'm working on right now. But so far, it's doing the job that it needs to do for what I need. Yeah, don't judge me either. I haven't groomed myself, quarantine, you know what I'm saying? So I've been a garage caveman for this whole time. Okay guys, so this is it right here. Check it out. The beauty. I think it came out pretty damn decent for my first time. You guys let me know in the comments down below. If, like I said, you guys want me to do a video on how to do this kind of stuff, let me know, man. Like I'm always saying, do your research, learn. You guys can do whatever you guys want. Let nothing stop you. You guys got the money, you guys got the knowledge, you guys got computers, YouTube, you know, you guys use that for your advantage to get you where you want, man. And this is it right here, you know what I'm saying? Until this day, I haven't paid anybody to do my work on my car yet. It makes me more proud of my car, you know, knowing that I did everything and I'm taking my time on it and I'm still learning. But so far so good. Tell me what you guys think. So this is what the color is gonna be. I know a lot of people told me they wanted the purple color was winning, but like I don't know, like I told my brother Flaco, everybody has that color, which is purple. You know, any purple. A lot of SRT4 owners have that color, and I wanted something different. You know what I'm saying? I chose to go with the penny gold, with kind of like a rose gold, copperish look here. You guys can see copper with white and mint. So hopefully it's gonna look good. If not, oh well, you know, I could always redo something else, you know. It's just a little extra piece, you know. It's gonna hopefully look well. You guys let me know that color looks good, you know what I'm saying? Right there, let me know. And so I also did the cam gears. I powder coated them, you know, first chromed them out and then shot the rose gold on it, penny gold. And this is what I got here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, this is what I've been doing. Once these get done here, I'm gonna take it into the shop. I'm just waiting to clear coat the cam gears, take it all in, and finally get that engine done. You know what I'm saying? For those of you who've been waiting, it's gonna come pretty soon. You know? And now I'm also gonna powder coat a few other things I got, which is like the manifold, intake, thermostat housing, like every little piece you name. I'm gonna try to get it done. I want it to look clean, spotless clean. I'm gonna show you guys what this is gonna look like in the car. Well, an idea of how it's gonna look like, and you guys let me know what you guys think, okay? I'm gonna set the stool. There it is, guys. Maybe that gives you an idea of how it's gonna look. Just that gold, you know, and that mint. I mean, it's gonna look different with the engine in it, but so far, I like it. I'm super excited to get this car running again. It's going for 3 years, not running. I miss this car, but I got so much plans for it. Thank you guys for tuning in and staying updated with my car. You know, I really appreciate everybody who supports the channel, the team, my project here, and always keep pushing your goals. Don't stop, keep doing it. I'm telling you guys, your end result is gonna be what's gonna show your hard work, man. So yeah, guys, like always, this is your boy Minty SRT. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll be back with another banger pretty soon. Sorry it's a short video, but I just gotta show you guys a little update of what we got going on. If you like these videos, to always hit the thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Come back, because we're dropping them bangers. You know what I'm saying? And shout out to everybody who's been following, supports. You know, stay safe, stay positive. And like that, guys, we're out. Peace.